hungry for more. Welcome back to KitchenTube HD. It's been a while since I've said those words, huh? These past couple of months have been a bit busy as I've been traveling and I've been meeting amazing people like you. And during this busy time, I went to Chennai to the wedding of my dad's nephew. When you go to Chennai, you must visit Marina Beach. It's absolutely beautiful. And over there, I was able to have one of my favorite peanut chaats, Verkadalai Sundal, or today's viral Kacha Badam Sundal. So anyways, let's begin with the recipe. So we're going to be using a pressure cooker first to cook the peanuts. So let's begin. Here I have with me some Kacha Badam or raw peanuts which I've soaked for 2 hours in water. It's about 1.5 cups. Then here I have with me some water, 2 cups. And then some salt to add to the peanut water. Now let's close the pressure cooker. And cook for 3 whistles. I'll be cooking the peanuts for about 3 whistles as I like them al dente and a little crunchy. But if you want them softer, you can go for 4 to 5 whistles. The pressure is released after cooking. Let's open it. Fully cooked. Now that the peanuts are cooked, let's drain them out from the water. Once the peanuts have cooled down, you can add onion, tomato, and the favorite part of the sundal, raw mango. It gives a sort of tartness, slight tartness to the sundal. So let's add it. Once that's done, we'll grate a carrot into the sundal. Let's add the grated carrot. Goes in the crushed coriander leaves. Chopped green chili. Chaat masala. Salt. When you're adding salt, you don't have to add too much since in the beginning we added salt to the pressure cooker. And finally, but not least, chili powder. And to finish this off, we'll be adding some lime. It gives a mild sourness and just brings together the entire dish. Sometimes what they do is they dip the lime in chili powder before adding, and I love when that happens. So let's give it a nice mix. And to do it traditionally, we do it with the hands. So let's serve our Verkadalai Sundal in the style you get in Chennai by putting it in a rolled paper. Our Verkadalai Sundal is ready and it looks so tropical and delicious. Do try this out at home and send your feedback down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube at KitchenTube. Bye! Kacha Badam, 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 la Kacha Badam. This is amazing. It tastes just like Chennai. You guys want